make it my way. Oh, I make it my way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We've settled into our apartment here in San Diego and I'm super excited because today's video, I'm giving you an apartment tour. We still have a little more decorating to do, but we've got a lot of the big stuff set. So let's begin. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our apartment. This is the entryway here. We have a bunch of art. We painted those three, and then we have these two plants here, which we got. We have some college friends coming this weekend, so we have air mattresses. Very exciting to have them come. This is the living room area. We thrifted or Facebook Marketplace most of the stuff. These two chairs, the stool, the coffee table, and the couch. More artwork by us. And then just a little coffee table with a globe over there. Everything was super cheap. We have our little backyard space. We hung some lights and we're still need to get some like patio furniture. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Our little decor. This is the TV stand. Another painting by us. We did a lot of paintings, which was super fun. This is the bar area. We got bar stools from Facebook Marketplace here. And then I'll go around. This is the kitchen. We have everything, dishwasher, stove, whatnot. We brought a lot of kitchen stuff, so we didn't have to buy too much. Fridge. This is our paint by numbers that we did together. It took a long time, but was super cool. Little cabinet there for towels and whatnot. This is the bathroom. Again, very basic. We got a shower curtain and whatever, towels. Shower curtain, towels. Hello. Over here is kind of my closet and dressing area. I have like a little stool to sit on and all my makeup and stuff there. And then over here, I have more closet space. Those are like shelves, and then I have all my hats. More closets here. And then this is my bedroom. Still a work in progress. I still haven't fully unpacked. We have the lamp, and this is my map. All the places I've been. My bed, and then I have posters over the wall. This is my work from home setup. I have 2 monitors and 3 laptops. I just got this, so I still haven't decorated it yet. I gotta figure out candles or plants or what I want to put there. And then we'll move on to Solen's room.
It's a little messy. It's a work in progress.
Yeah, we're still unpacking.
Got my desk from Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, good deal there.
Stole a bar stool for now because I'm sure.
Yeah.
This is my lamp also from Facebook Marketplace featuring my little plants.
Yeah, and the ivy on there, so cool. Love
Yes.
that.
Little nightstand from a thrift store.
Yep.
Bed. And then this is my
She has the
favorite
ladder.
part.
She had it first, but I got it because it looks so good.
Copycat, it's okay.
And lights. Turn your lights
Lights.
on. All the little decor on there, so cool. Love it.
Yeah.
And yeah, that is our apartment. That's pretty much it. We still have a few more things to get, but we're pretty much good. All the decor. So remember to subscribe and follow along for all our San Diego adventures.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. And now we're gonna head outside to kind of look at the amenities and the common areas. We have a lot of amenities here, which I really love. So yeah, let's take a look. So I'm gonna head to the pool first here. We have a few spaces here for grilling and eating. And then we have the pool here. So we have a hot tub and then the pool, places to lay out. And then in here we have a little sauna. Yeah, we've been making use of the pool a lot and the hot tub. We probably go like 3 or 4 times a week, which I think is pretty good. It's really nice to have it super close to our place. It's literally like a 1-minute walk. And we have another building here, part of our complex. Places to grill and eat. And then we have the gym in here, barbells, free weights, ellipticals, treadmills, bikes, and a machine, pretty good. And then there's just a room in here for exercising. Yeah, that's honestly the building, the apartment. I really love it here. We're having a great time, super enjoying being here.
I'm happy, nothing's going to stop me. I'm making my way home. I'm making